Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make your face look amazing on camera. I'm gonna go through my foundation routine as an expert video creator and content marketer. Do you wanna look amazing on camera? If you answered yes, this video is for you. By the way, if you're new here, hello! And to my subscribers, welcome back. I'm gonna be showing you my foundation and contour routine. By the way, to record this video, I'm using the Halo Teleprompter. And for my secondary mirror, I'm gonna be using a first surface mirror. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. Let's get right into the video. Now that we're zoomed in, we can get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with the primer. And I'm gonna put it all over my face. What it does is it minimizes pores and gives you a good photo finish. And then I'm gonna put it in my T-zone and then the rest all over my face. Now that I've primed my face, I'm gonna go in with my Infallible Pro Glow foundation in Classic Ivory. And I love this foundation because it is super dewy and my skin is super dry, so I need that balance. So I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. And I put it on the back of my hand because it helps like warm up the foundation and make it look more natural when you put it on. So I'm just gonna take this beauty blender and then dab it into my face. And you wanna make sure you apply an even coat so that it looks better on camera and it hides all blemishes and makes your skin look flawless. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Infallible Full Wear Concealer and just cover up any blemishes that I couldn't with foundation and then highlight my face with it, basically. I usually go in a triangle underneath my eyes because it just helps like define it, I guess. And then I sculpt it and then I'm just gonna go in over my blemishes and my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my chin. So I dab my foundation and concealer into my face instead of rubbing it because it helps with like, it fills in like fine lines, make you look more photo finished, I guess. I like dabbing it because if I take like a foundation brush and I try to apply foundation or concealer, I feel like it just doesn't give like the full effect of like coverage, and it kind of just sits on top of your skin instead of like absorbing kind of into your skin to make it look more like skin instead of foundation, I guess. Now that I've done concealer and foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Blushing in Bali palette, and I'm gonna take the two bronzing colors at the bottom and use a brush and sculpt out my face and contour. So when I contour, I go into the cheekbones, my temples, my nose, and my jaw. Now that I've finished contouring my face, I'm going to go in with my setting powder and just set underneath my eyes in all the places that I concealed. This just sets it so that my concealer doesn't crease and gives you a photo finish for camera. So now I'm just gonna go in with the highlight and just highlight my face. Now I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose, above my eyebrows, just to lift my face. My cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, and my cheekbones to highlight and give it some glow. I'm just gonna go in with this lip shine and finish off my look. So guys, this is the finished look. This is what I got. If you guys have any tips for me, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys want to check out any of our other videos, like our Halloween makeup tutorial or our Bratz challenge, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm Kylie with Halo Lux, and I'll see you guys in the next video.